In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Google Chrome. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Google Chrome download page. For the channel, I will leave it at stable. For file type, I will select MSI, and for the architecture, I will leave it at 64-bit. Then I will click on this download button and accept and download. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools, then I will select add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And the installation file appeared here in the package. Then I will double click on Chocolatey install script, and then I will click on this edit button. Then once again I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the executable installation file in the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert it here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. The first one will be the installation file name that we need to provide here, so I will go back to my downloads folder, I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name, right click again, and I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. Now for the package name, I will enter Google Chrome. And for the file type, I will enter MSI because the installation file that I'm using has the .msi extension. And for the silent switches, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have the silent switches that I will be using for this package. So I will click on this button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's all the modifications that we need to do for this package. For this script. We can save it by clicking on the save button, and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Google Chrome. Then for the package version, I will enter 120.0.6099 and 130. At least I think that this is the correct version number for this installation file. Then for the authors, I will leave it at less the automation, and for the description, I will enter Google Chrome browser package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to enter. We can save the information by clicking on the save button, and now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my downloads folder, and I will also be using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click Save, and now let's try to install the package. And for that, I will open my terminal application as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute software installation. And here I will enter Choco, install. And then we need to provide the package ID that you can see here. So it's Google Chrome. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s, then provide my Chocolatey repository location. In this case, it's my D drive and downloads folder. And also I will add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to start menu, all apps, I can find Google Chrome here. If I click on it, it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.